Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.